Hey, what's up, guys? I just bought an account on Equity Edge, and we're going to be trading it together. It's a 5K account, okay? So I actually bought it for $19, okay? $19. So what we'll do is we'll take every trade together. We'll see everything. Not like taking it together, but most of the trades I've been sharing lately, I share them on a live stream because I'm always live on YouTube every day. So this is actually a challenge. Okay, I'm taking it upon myself to actually document 5K to 100 challenge. Okay, 5K fund prop account to 100K. That is if Equity Edge is giving payouts. Okay, so the first goal is to pass the it's a one phase challenge. Okay, one step challenge. So the first goal is to pass the challenge and see how it goes. So how can we name this challenge? My journey to funding, or from 5K. Yeah, so well, I will think of a title so we can give this series and see how far it takes us. Okay, so if you want to see me, you want to see everything I do, I'll be dropping the current trade I have right now somewhere around this video so that you can see exactly what's happening, or maybe after this you will see. Okay, I'll just attach it on this video so we see how far it goes. And guys, honestly, let's see how this thing goes. Okay, and after the trade I will show you my back office on Equity Edge, their platform. Okay, and if they don't pay, I'll also let you guys know that payouts are not given, and if I lose the account, you will see it because we'll be doing this together. Okay, so let's just take it. I don't know how it will go. I'm just trying my luck. Okay, so let's see how it goes, guys. Lately I've been hitting SLs back to back. I just hope it doesn't affect this account, but if it does, then we'll get the next one until we get back into a winning streak, and maybe we'll pass the accounts and keep going. I had plans to maybe take just 2 trades to pass the account, but the way I'm seeing this trade is going to SL. Yeah, so maybe this first trade is going to be part of my losing streak. So we keep it going, guys. Let's see how it ends. Subscribe, follow, whatever. Let's do it together. Okay, we just bought a prop challenge, a $5,000 challenge on Equity Edge. Okay, so we are gonna be, so that's it, $5,000 challenge, one stage on Equity Edge. So we're going to be trading this live. Let's see how it goes. The goal is to see how possible it is to start trading with no funds. Okay, this is actually $19. Okay, this is a $19 account, and we've actually taken our first trade on GBP USD. Okay, so I shared this on Telegram, but if I have to be honest with you, on YouTube earlier. Oh, let me just adjust this. Okay, so if I have to be honest with you, my stop loss is way above this zone and I have a wider target. Okay, so if I have to be honest with you, I'm also in this trade, but on the smaller accounts, my stop loss, because I have an account that I'm doing a challenge with my beginner traders. Okay, so my stop loss is 20 pips, but on this I have a 50 pip stop loss. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I will definitely update you on every step of this account. Okay, so this account is meant for the community. So this is it. This is the first trade. This is the first trade we are taking on the account. Okay, so when I close the first trade, I'll let you know, and I will always update you. In case I scale in, I'll let you know. Everything I do will be seen on the results. Okay, on the history. So let's keep it going, guys. Yo guys, what's up? So this is actually the challenge, the 5K to a 100K challenge. Okay, so we are currently on our second trade. This is GBP USD. Okay, so we actually have a buy setup. Looking forward to actually make out approximately 100 pips. Okay, so this is how it looks like on this is the second trade of the challenge. Okay, is the second trade. So this is actually the setup. This is how we cut it. Okay, this is the entry you can see, and we are currently about $50 profit, 1:1, because we are actually risking $50 on this setup, targeting approximately $250. Okay, so if we have two of these type of trades, then we are done with the account. So that's the goal, to catch two of these. So yesterday we had a loss. Okay, our first trade was a loss. Like I told you guys, that maybe this first trade could add to our losing streak, which actually played out exactly what I as anticipated, was predicted. Now, this is how the account looks like. This is my back office. Okay, so it's a one-step challenge. So the profit target, like right now, it was a $5,000 account. Right now, our current balance is $4,940. Okay, and you see, win rate, we have about approximately 33% win rate, which I don't think is true, because we have not yet closed this one, so we don't know if it's how far is it. Okay, then you can see our maximum loss target is $250. Maximum daily loss, maximum remaining loss is $218. Okay, so if we lose $218 on this trade, on this account, the account will be blown. Okay, so actually our maximum loss threshold now, you can see it here. Then profit target is $400. Okay, so at this point, if we have to make $400, $417 will pass the account. Then our daily loss target, okay, is $150 under normal circumstances. But as of right now, is we are left with including our current running trade. So if we lose $190, we'll be out of the game. Okay, so the account will be breached at $4,792. Okay, and normally we are supposed to have 2 trading days. Okay, so at this point, we've had 1 trading day. So we're actually risking $50 per trade. But yesterday's trade, we risk approximately $60. Yes, because we risk $58. So guys, the challenge is ongoing. Don't miss any part of it. Subscribe to the channel, or follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and let's see how the challenge ends. Okay, so if we successfully pass this challenge, then we'll be upgrading to a bigger size, and we'll also find out if Equity Edge can pay, and if they do pay, then guys, we'll be upgrading the account to a bigger one. So I will document every step of this journey, so make sure you follow so we can see it to the end. Okay, so looking forward to see you, and I will drop these videos and I will do a complete hi guys, welcome back. I honestly had to accept defeat. So this is our 5K account. So what happened, guys? It's simple. Price gave us a 1:2.5. Okay, like this is our entry. Price came all the way to this point, giving us a 1:2.5. And what happened? We did not take it because we're targeting a 1:5 somewhere around here. And price pulled back close to our SL and almost stopped us out. And now looking at what price is creating, we are on the 1 hour. Price failed to take out these highs, right? Price failed to take out these highs and rather created a lower low. And this I see is something like a lower high. So instead of me accepting losses, I just said, okay, let me close it where it is. And we know we still have 2 trades to go. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting emotional. This is the first life challenge I'm taking as a trader, like to pass a prop firm live in front of you guys, to show you guys, document everything. I've never done it. So Guys, I don't know if I'm getting emotional, but this is just part of the journey. And I really want you guys to know that this is what happened. You see, we have taken 2 trades on this account already, and we are in drawdown. This is the first trade. This is the second trade. Okay, so we have not hit take profit on any trade. So we actually closed the trade at break even, making over $25. Okay, so this is our current account size. We're in drawdown. Okay, we are currently in about $33 drawdown, or let's just say $34 drawdown. So we just have to be patient. Today is Wednesday, Friday, Thursday and Friday. We'll see if we can get a good entry for us to continue the trades. But if not, guys, this is just it for us. We accept the reality. So thanks very much for watching. And if you want to see the end of this challenge, feel free to subscribe. Okay, follow me and let's document the journey. And I will tell you everything that goes through. Okay, I always break you my reasons for everything so that those who want to learn can learn something, and those who want to criticize should have a point to talk about, because there are lessons I'll learn from this challenge. Hi guys, so this is the 5K account. If you've been following up, you remember this trades that we took and got stopped out. Then this is the second trade. This ones like this were one trade, the first trade. And here's our second trade we entered, which gave us 1:2.5, but we did not take the profit. And we later on closed it somewhere around here, closing around break even. So the first trade we lost $58. The second trade we made about $25 because we closed at break even. Now, this is the third trade. Okay, we took a buy at this point. So this is actually where everything spoiled. We took a buy at this point. What happened? Price stopped us out. And what happened again? I took a sell, impulsive sell, okay, without waiting for good confirmation. And what happened? Price stopped us out and pulled up before actually dropping, right? So this is our account size. We are currently at, it was $5,000. Now we are at $4,845. Crazy, right? So these are all the trades we've taken on this account. So we lost. This is the first day. These 2 trades are one trade. This one is the second trade where we actually had $125 but did not take. And now here is the 4th trade. Hit SL normally. Then this sell was impulsive. Okay, so this $59 or $60 was an impulsive loss. It wasn't a planned loss. So this is an update, and I'm dropping the video this weekend. So watch it and also learn something. Know that at least there are times when we do mess up, not because we don't know how to trade, but simply because we get emotional at times. Okay, so for our first setups it was okay. The second setup, it was okay. That was a normal loss, okay, because price decided to do what it can do. The third setup was very okay, but the fourth setup was a mistake. I breached the rules and I faced the consequences, but the account is still alive. So this week we're going to be trading. Okay, now that we are left with less than $150 backup, it shows that we need to reduce our risk tolerance. We're risking 1%, now we'll be risking 0.5% first to come back to break even before we start trading normally. So guys, I'll keep updating you on everything that's going on this account. Love you guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're not following, follow, so we see this till the end of the journey. Love you all.